When you are growing up as a cricketer, you need opportunity, you need platform, and MCA gave me that platform.
What was MCA's contribution in shaping your career in the early days, and what kind of opportunities were available to you?
Without MCA, I don't think I would have been sitting here and talking about my game. MCA has played a big part in it, without a doubt. When you are growing up as a cricketer, you need opportunity, you need platform, and MCA gave me that platform to come and play. I would say getting the opportunity at the right time is also very important, and I got the opportunity at the right time playing with all these stalwarts which I just mentioned. Not just giving me the opportunity, but also now whenever I need to go and train at any of the MCA grounds, you know, they're always there to help getting the pitch ready for me to practice, the gym, the pool and all of that. It is so important, you know, for any athlete, and getting to practice is not an easy thing. You know, you have to call so many people if the ground is available or not. But MCA always made sure that the ground is available so that, you know, we can go and practice. And it is, I'm not just talking about me, but also all the other cricketers who have represented India, and also the Ranji Trophy cricketers. You know, MCA has always looked after all the cricketers.